In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and holding this microphone at the bottom left corner, or tapping on this one at the top. Either way, when you're ready, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or use this button with a microphone. To delete text on the go, click on right one. To access keyboard settings involving voice typing, click on the sphere one. And to go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!